'07. We were serving the same black.
Oh, hey, girl. We got something for you.
So we served on the same committee, the Black Grad Student Association. Yeah, that's the one. And since then we became brothers. You know, even though every time we went to Chicago and had a turn up, you forgot to invite me then, right? You forgot about the invite,
Bro.
Anyway, we're gonna fast forward. So currently, what this brother's doing, he was the one that told Mathematicians that it was possible. He told me pretty much the blueprint. He said that to build a program, you had to move that needle. This was back in 2017 when he was a principal at Henry Ford Academy. And since then, that allowed me to understand that there's a way that a program can be built out. In 2018, he was able to bring me into University Prep Arts and Design, right? Or Henry Ford Design. It changed name at some point, right? But that was the first contract that we had with Math for Success as an after-school program. And now this brother runs an amazing program, Black Educators Alliance, Black Male Educators Alliance, right? And his passion about bringing black males in the education field. And the program has grown amazing, like massive. Last week I was at the gala. How many people at the gala?
Over 200 people.
200 people at the Charles Wright Museum. This brother right here is a trailblazer when it comes to education. I look up to him. He's my mentor. Even though it's hard for us to connect sometimes, but you know what? I want to tell you, bro, I love you, bro. I love what you're doing.
Appreciate you.
Thank you.